Exactly. I show my phone and has cleanliness. Like, I'm just kidding. Ellen, thank you.
Aren't you in like honors English, man?
No, I'm not.
He's in your English program.
I'm failing English,
Why
bro.
aren't y'all in honors English?
Because I don't like
I
English.
didn't want to. I don't.
What grade
Y'all
do
are
you
so
have
smart,
English,
man.
though?
97.
Okay, so 1.6. Shh. Anna. 1.6 is
97.
Matt.
Yeah.
Shh.
Yes, sir.
1.6 is a grab bag of other miscellaneous nonsense. So we're going to practice doing a bunch of different categories, I would say, of solving polynomials. So if I ask you to solve this polynomial, I have a few choices. I have a few options.
Could I have a crack at it?
Okay, but I want to hear different options. What's one option?
Try to get the x to the other side.
Matt, go. Matt, go. Matt.
Divided by 3x, right? 3x squared. Divide each side by 3x squared.
Finn, go.
Yeah, divide each side by 3x squared.
Bro, that's literally what I just said.
What's another option? I keep hearing the same option.
Finn.
Square root
Okay.
to get like an x squared and an x.
Okay. All right. You're not reading my mind properly.
Okay.
What's another option, Patrick?
Write in standard form.
Oh, write in standard form.
Oh my god.
Is this in standard form?
No.
No.
It's just
Oh,
a fraction
so
property of quality.
Oh, holla.
Standard form for a polynomial
Is that 40 or
would look like 48.
48.
40?
40?
48.
What about that looks like a 40?
It looks like a 7.
I thought that was a 48.
Me
It
too.
is.
It's 48.
It is 48.
Yeah, okay. It is?
I'm just saying, what about this looks like a 40?
Would you-
There.
That's 40.
Wait. Oh.
It's 48.
Yeah.
Cormac, what does standard form look like for a polynomial?
Highest exponent to lowest exponent with what you call it, numbers at the end.
Coefficients.
Yeah. So I feel like I should give you the standard form
Oh, a plus bi.
form for a
That's complex numbers.
What's a is x squared plus bx plus c.
polynomial equation. That is standard form for a quadratic. So I want standard form for a polynomial equation in general. So if I say polynomial equation, it's going to include what? If I include the word,
Oh.
if I say polynomial, it might be just ax squared plus bx plus c. That's polynomial. What would make this an equation?
An equal sign.
Equals 0. So you've had problems where they ask you to factor the polynomial, and I've upgraded it just out of mean-spiritedness to an equation, and we solved for the zeros of the equation. So that's what we mean by equation. So if I have a polynomial equation, is x squared the highest power that I'm allowed?
Oh, wait, no. Is it 3x? Whatever 4 minus 48 x squared equals 0.
Yes, for this example, that's what it's going to be.
Yes.
Once we get to the example, but we're taking a sidetrack to look at the standard form for a polynomial equation in general. Is squared the highest power?
No.
Is to the fourth the highest power?
No.
Yeah.
What's the highest power?
N. Infinite.
Oh my god.
It's not infinite. Infinity is not a number.
Any real number.
Any number is fine. So not infinite, but I get what you're saying. Let's say arbitrary. So for any arbitrary power, I'm going to write x to the n, and then my coefficients are all going to be a, and I'm going to use a subscript to keep track of them. So this would be a subscript n. And then the next one will be just the next power down. So I'm going to have a subscript n minus 1, meaning the next one down. So if I started at 8, the next one is 7. And so this would be x to what power?
N minus 1.
To the n minus 1. And then I'm going to do plus, and I'm going to do dot, dot, dot. Because I'm going to fill in the blank however many there are. If it's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then I'm gonna include all those. If it starts with 1001, then goes to 1000, and then goes all the way down until ... And then I'm gonna pick it back up again. I'm gonna say a sub 2 coefficient has x with what power?
2.
Squared.
Yeah.
Plus, what's next?
AX.
X.
I'm not gonna say a. I'm gonna keep
sub
with
1.
a sub 1 x plus, wait, Matt, what's next?
A minus 1, or a subscript minus 1.
Do I count 2, 1, and then minus 1?
No, 0.
No.
A x. A. Wait, oh, is that A1 x or is
This
it
is
A
A1.
Yeah, so A.
This is like 14. This is 13 perhaps,
Okay,
dot,
so
dot,
would it be A
2,
0?
1, a sub 0 or a naught.
Mhm.
And then what's my x term?
Well, there's no 1 there.
0.
So x, well,
X to the 0 is equivalent to what?
1.
1. So I'm gonna leave this off. This is my constant term. But if you insist on calling it a power of x, then this is x to the second, x to the first, and then this is equivalent to an x to the 0 term, but I don't have to write that. And then equals what?
0.
So this is my standard form for a polynomial equation in general. So for this example, I would like to write this in standard form, and Matt has already told us. What did you tell us?
3x to the 4th minus 48x squared equals 0.
Minus 48x squared. Why is it minus 48x squared?
Because you're subtracting the 48x squared from the other side.
I'm subtracting 48x squared from both sides, right?
Woohoo.
Why can I subtract from both sides?
Subtraction of property of equality.
Yeah.
So I'm allowed to, I keep this equality as long as I do the same thing to both sides. I can add to both sides, I can subtract from both sides, I can multiply both sides, I can divide both sides, I can square root both sides. And then what do I have left?
Equals 0.
Equals 0. Okay, now we're in standard form. The book calls this general form, so don't let the terminology throw you. If the homework perhaps asks you what general form is, it means the same thing. Okay, now some of the ideas that we were talking about before might work. So Jason, what do you think we could do next?
Wait, you forgot the square root of 48x.
Oh, thank you.
Factorizations.
Yes.
So we divided both two terms by 3x squared.
I'm not going to divide both terms by 3x squared.
Oh, can you factor out 3x squared?
Yeah.
Can you factor it out?
Yes, and I'll come back to why that's a bad idea later, but I do want to factor out 3x squared.
Should we replace the x squared with like a's or something? Clumsies.
Well, I'm going to completely factor out an x squared here,
Okay.
and I don't need to do that, but it would be an option if I wanted to perhaps say a equals x squared. I think I could do that, but I don't feel like I need to do this now. But that kind of substitution is valid as long as we undo it at the end. So I'll tell you why later. I'll tell you why soon. Why we're not going to divide out by x. But for now, instead of dividing out by, I should say common terms, what am I going to do?
Convert x squared to a.
I don't. That is an option in general. If you feel like you need to do that, so if I identify that I have a quadratic in x squared, or an quadratic in x squared, we have seen that before, but again, you're not reading my mind properly.
I wish I could do that.
Take out negative 3x squared.
Take out negative 3x squared. Why negative?
Um.
If I took out negative 3x squared,
Make the leading term
what would that make my leading term?
negative.
It would make it negative.
Yeah.
I do not wish to take out negative 3x squared.
Take out positive
Take out
3x
3x.
I have a
So-
question.
Yes.
Could we like quadratic formula it?
Yes.
It's not necessary.
So if we wanted to use quadratic formula, this is a quadratic in x squared. Yes, that is an option. taking the square root up here was an option. These are valid options. It's just not where I'm going with this particular equation. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm saying Jason's wrong, and I'll show you why in a minute.
And then
That's the only wrong suggestion so far is dividing by a common factor is wrong, and I'll show you why.
I have one more question.
Yes.
If you were going to quadratic formula, could you say like square root it or divided by x?
So if I were going to go to a quadratic formula, so let's try to solve this by quadratic formula. We won't go through with it, but this is how to set it up. This is what I need to do.
I get that.
That lets me write it how, Cormac?
Where x squares a?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it'll be
But my
3a.
question is, since it's 0 on the other side, will it give you the same product if you just do 3x squared minus 48x equals 0?
So, yes. So all of these strategies that I'm approving, it's because they will give you the same answer. So if I wanted to use quadratic, so this is a quadratic equation, right? This is a quadratic equation in x squared. How could I set? I'm not going to do it, but how could I set this up to use quadratic, Cormac?
That up?
Yeah.
Well, 48, negative 48 is b, 0 is c.
Okay, can we start with a?
Yeah, a is x squared.
No.
Yeah.
No. Different meaning of a. When I'm getting ready for quadratic formula, I need a, b, and c. So let's not let the use of a throw us here.
So 3 is still a.
So a is 3, b is minus 48, and c is 0. I could totally use that for quadratic formula. What's the only time I can't use quadratic formula?
When it's not a quadratic.
What about blah 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 all over 2a? Yeah, when it's not a quadratic, because a would be what? It's not a quadratic.
3.
So if I do 3x minus 7 equals 0, can I use quadratic formula?
No.
Why?
There's no x squared.
Yeah.
There's no x squared, so what's my a?
3.
0.
0.
Can I put 0 in the denominator?
No.
Can't do it. That one won't work if it's not a quadratic. If it is a quadratic, we do have that option, but we're not doing that right now. Okay, so I'm not going to divide by. I'm going to what's my strategy right now?
Take out the 3x. 2.
What's that called?
Factor out
I'm going to factor out, what are these called?
GC.
Common
Coefficients.
Common factors. Sorry about the use of the same word as a verb and a noun, but you know, that's English. So what are my common factors?
3x squared.
3 comes out of both. X squared comes out of both, leaving me
X
X squared minus 16.
x squared minus 16 equals 0.
Oh, you know that
I
kinda
see.
looks a little
Whoa.
familiar. It's almost as if you could do x minus 4, x plus 4.
Oh, okay. I'm going to leave this one alone, and I'm going to do x. I'm going to do x minus 4, x plus 4, and what did I do?
You did the thingy.
What is it called?
The difference of
You think I
squares.
know?
Difference of squares. Now what do I do?
You figure out what number could cause it to equal 0. So,
Yeah, you set everything
What's
to
this?
0.
What's this
say,
property called?
uh,
What's my strategy now? It has a name. What's the property?
the zero product property?
Zero product property. We're going to use this 105 more times in this class, so I would like you to learn this term. This is called the zero product property. Zero product property tells me if I have A, B, C equals 0, what does it mean?
A equals 0, B equals 0, C equals
I can split it up because either A equals 0, or B equals 0, or C equals 0, or maybe any 2 or any 3. So I'm going to split this up into 3 different equations, and this is because of my zero product property. Jason, what's my first equation?
First one is we want the three terms to be 0, so for the first one should be 3x squared 0.
Okay, stop. Finn, what's my second one?
X minus 4 equals 0 to 4.
X minus 4 equals 0.
X equals
Miley's, what's my next one?
X plus 4 equals 0.
Right. And then, sorry, Ella, help me solve the first one.
Divide by 3,
Divide by 3.
which is x squared equals 0. Square root of both sides. X equals 0.
X equals 0. Miley's, what's my answer for my second one?
X equals 4.
X equals 4. And Anna,
X equals negative 4.
X equals -4. If you're putting your answer into WebAssign, you can do it this way. If you're just writing it in math, you could do it this way. 0 and plus or minus 4. Jason, for a little side track, when I'm at this point, I'm going to, or perhaps at this point, if I say divide both sides by common factors. Common factors, which is 3x squared. So let's divide both sides by 3x squared.
I think the first one should be, the left side should be x squared minus.
Oh, this is a 48.
16
Equals,
0.
and then solve the rest of it.
It would be x plus 4, x minus 4, and use the zero product property. It would be x equals plus or minus 4.
Right. What did I do? What did I do to my answer?
It missed one answer.
I deleted an answer. It is a valid mathematical step to divide by 3x squared, but I really want to factor out 3x squared, not divide by it, because my answer goes away. So I have an incomplete answer if I do that here. This x plus or minus 4 is an incomplete answer. So you do this one.
So if you get 0 for one of the equations, it doesn't count.
It counts. It counts.
But you don't use it in your final answer.
You do. This is wrong. This is wrong.
Oh.
This is I get a piece of candy as my reward.
Oh yeah. Oh, I thought you were saying the opposite. I get it.
No. I'm saying that's a bad strategy, even though it makes mathematical sense to do it. It's hurting my final answer.
I understand.
All right, you do this one.
I'm back, Mr. Shavy.
What happened?
They just,
They fixed it?
Yeah.
They fixed it so fast?
yeah.
Wait, what
Wow.
happened?
They didn't
All right, do this. So sometimes you might find yourself in a position where taking the square root of something is desirable. But I'm a little bit at a loss to tell you when that's a bad idea. Most of the time it's a bad idea. If you have to do it, then do it. Because you don't have to take the square roots of any of these coefficients. You don't have to. Most of you aren't, but I saw some people doing it. Let's just factor out and then use our other steps. Factor out common factors. First of all, write it in standard form if it's not. Factor out common factors, zero product property, and see where we get.
Well, I got to a funky answer.
Was it funky?
I have to minus square root 4/3. I don't know.
Do one more time.
Do
Are
another
you still
one?
working?
I mean,
You know what to do, Baron?
Good question.
Yeah.
So, if I factor out like this,
it doesn't revive.
times 3x squared, so then I can factor this out, so it'd be 1 times 3x squared equals 12x squared divided by 3x squared.
So we're gonna do factoring. We're gonna do grouping in a second, but I don't think we're at the stage of grouping. I don't think we want 3x squared times 3x squared minus 12x squared. I mean, that would be a complicated way to start. I think you can start just by, like, step one, put it in standard form. Is it in standard form already?
Yeah.
Well, now it is, yeah.
Yeah, this is how I gave it to you. It's already in standard form, we're fine. Step two is what? Factor out common factors. Factor out common factors. That doesn't mean 9x squared times 9x squared.
I took
Factor
mine.
out common factors, factor out whatever these two terms have in common.
Oh, I'm so stupid.
These two terms have factors in common. What are they?
3x squared.
3x squared, right? 3 goes into 9,
3 times.
3 times 3 goes into 12, 4 times x squared goes into x to the fourth,
Twice.
x squared times, x squared goes into x squared
Once.
once. So we can factor out common factors.
I have an answer.
So 3
Equals the square root of
x
1.
squared, then here's your 3x squared, minus 4. This was factor out common factors. This was standard form. Out common.
But it doesn't necessarily have to be the greatest common factor?
Yes,
So it does or it doesn't?
does.
Okay.
I mean, maybe not. I would say factoring out the greatest common factor makes it as easy as possible on you.
I have it. That's shit.
No, I don't want the answer. I want the method. What's the method? What'd I do?
If you have the answer, you should have.
I said
Well, I did differently than
which I don't think was correct.
What's this called?
Zero product.
Zero product
Okay,
property. Lets me do what?
set every
Yeah, 3x
thing into
squared equals
0.
0 and parentheses 3x squared minus 4 should also be 0.
Just two, right? It's just two options.
Yeah, we
Oh,
can all
okay,
use
so
the
I'm
square
actually
differences.
not.
Oh, I'm not dumb after all. Wait, yeah, yeah.
Oh, wait a second.
I thought you still had to do the little thing.
Well, you couldn't be able to.
Let me just make
the
sure I actually
three
know how to do
square
this before I
root,
leave.
it would just be messy. So messy. So the x would equal 0 on the left one.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so x squared equals 0 and x equals 0
Yeah.
here. And then on this side,
Plus 4.
You can move 4 to another side, so 3x squared equals
Yeah, there's plus 4 right there. Okay. I just like all the
Four over
square
three.
root.
4. Plus or minus square root 4 over 3.
See square root it.
am I done?
No, because square root of 4 can be simplified.
Square root of 4 could be simplified, but what else? Why else am I not done?
You don't want a radical in the denominator.
Sorry about that, but I think math teachers everywhere are going to say that you do not want to keep radicals in the denominator. We're going to put this in standard form. So I'm not done. Even though I have essentially solved for this.
X equals plus or minus square root 4 over square root 3.
What is square root? I'm going to take this off to the
Oh.
I'm going to take this off to the side.
Square root 4 over square root 3.
Yeah, square root of 4 over square root of 3 is
2.
2 over root 3.
2 over root 3. I'm not calling this plus or minus because I have a plus or minus over here that's going to take care of that for me when I put it back in. So I'm okay just saying this is 2. And then I'm still not done, right?
Root 3 on both sides.
Did you have to?
Both sides means top and bottom
Yeah.
because this is equivalent to 1. So that gives me
2 square root, or plus or minus 2 square root 3 over 3.
right. So when I put it back over here, it's going to be plus or minus 2 root 3 over 3. So what's my entire list of values?
0.
So I also have 0, right?
0, comma 2 square root 3 over 3. Or yeah, plus or minus.
Finn?
Yeah, that's the list.
Okay.
Can we do another one just like that where they do radicals and stuff?
No.
No. Yes.
Oh.
Can we do a harder one?
No.
No.
We just need to do another one of that.
There could be ones on the homework that could be possibly looked over.
There will definitely be ones on the homework.
Yeah, I know. I've been trying to do them.
But
Are you gonna show?
okay, how can I solve this? How can I solve this polynomial equation?
Grouping.
Factor by grouping.
Okay, Matt and Barrett.
Wait, what? We're doing something else?
Yeah.
Wait, can we do
Is that
one more
minus
practice
x to
one
the
of the other?
third or is it just x?
Minus x, x to the third minus x to 3x to the
Oh
second.
yeah, that's completely, you can
Wait,
completely do that.
Yeah.
wait. Can we do one more practice problem for the other one, please? I don't think most of us get it. Me and me.
2 common factors. So like,
Oh, I got it.
Let's do.
Wait, so is it factor by grouping? Before I start writing stuff? Is it?
No, we're good. We're doing one more practice problem before we move on.
Okay.
Matt, how do I start?
Oh, well, yeah, hold on. 3. Oh, okay, well, hold on, let me get it down on my paper. Okay, well, you would take out the greatest common factor, so something x.
What do I have for 36?
You take out 6. Then you can
So I've got 6 and
5.
6, but 6 is not going to help me with 100.
No.
4. Take out 4.
4
I got
times
4 and
12.
9.
30.
100 has 4 and 25.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. Those are all.
And then 9 and 25, I don't see anything else in common. So let's just take out, what do I take out?
You take out 4x.
4 and then x, right? It's just x.
So
Leaving
4x, 9
9
x squared
Yep.
minus 25
minus 25.
equals 0. Okay, then you
Oh,
can solve
look, you can do the thing but ignore.
4x
Now, yeah, I'm not gonna do zero product property yet. I'm going to make this a little bit easier.
Oh, it's 5. 3x.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, 3x minus 5, 3x.
It's not 3x squared.
Oh yeah,
Sure, it's 3, yeah.
Yeah.
right. Thank you.
Yeah, where's still.
Okay, now I'm ready to zero product property.
Yeah, all equivalent to 0, which means x equals 0. X is equivalent.
Wait, Matt, give me the first one.
What's the first one?
The first one,
4x
the first
equals 0.
4x equals 0. Baron, give me the second one.
0. No.
Do you know zero product property?
No.
Zero product property is what lets us do. I think I erased it. If I have a times b times c equals 0. This is true if what?
2 times 0.
Not if 2.
If 1 and a
If any one, this could be 0 times 8 times 1,000.
Oh, yeah.
I understand.
If any one is 0,
If 1 or more.
or 2 or 3.
Yeah, well,
At least one has to be 0. So that lets me split this up and solve it that way.
3x plus 5 equals 0.
So 3x plus 5 equals 0. And Cormac, give me my last one.
And then plus or minus root 5 over 3.
We're not there.
We're not there yet.
3x plus 5. 3x minus 5.
3x minus 5 equals 0. Patrick solved the first one.
0. Divide both sides by 4, x equals 0.
X equals 0. And then Anna, I'm going to be calling on you so much tomorrow when your parents are here.
Mr. C.
What are we doing tomorrow? Are we doing like an
X
actual
equals-
class? Oh man.
We actually have to learn negative 5 over 3.
Yeah. And then Marlies?
Shucks. Just 5 over 3.
No.
X equals.
Yes. So what's my total answer, Ella?
X equals 0, comma, negative 5 over 3. Or plus or minus 5 over 3.
You're right. You might have to separate them with commas if you're putting it in WebAssign.
Okay.
Ella, are your parents going to be able to come tomorrow?
No.
I would pick on you so bad if they were here.
Yeah.
You should still do it.
I understand it now. We can move on. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, the release report
Let's
cards
group.
came out before 1.6 because I think
Let's group. Oh, I ripped my page. Oh no. What did I do? I ripped my page.
I don't even know what we did before this. I
See, you
don't
ripped
remember.
your baby, Mr. Chip.
I said I ripped my page.
No, that's so sad.
They said I ripped my baby.
My textbook is my baby.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this.
I would like to group. How do I group?
Oh, I know how to do this.
You go x3 minus 3x2.
On some problems I had to pay attention to signs, but this is plus.
Yeah.
Makes it easy. I'm just gonna put gratuitous parentheses.
Yeah.
But now I'm gonna group. I'm gonna group. What do I do? So this is just grouping. This is grouping. What's next?
We take out the x squared.
What do we call that?
Foil it out. I don't know.
No.
Just
Factor it out.
Factor.
I forgot which f it was.
Okay.
Somebody want that free.
Jason, what do I get when I factor?
You take out the biggest common factor.
From each group?
So the first group, the biggest common factor should be x squared.
X squared leaving.
X minus 3.
And Finn, the second group?
3x minus 3.
And now I have my factor by grouping pattern. So what do I get, my lease?
X squared plus 3 in parentheses, and then x minus 3.
I'm getting closer.
This one has an. And then you set both equal to 0.
I set both equal to 0 using my.
0 prime property.
Property.
Why am I writing that down every time?
So we remember
So we
it.
know what we're doing.
Why do I write it in a weird color?
So that we see it.
Because I want you to remember it.
Yeah.
We're going to use it 103 more times in this class.
You said 150.
I've been using it.
Yeah, it has not been 52 problems.
All right, what do I do?
Now it's x minus 3 and x squared plus or x minus 3 equals 0. X squared plus 3 equals 0.
Yeah. That one is bad.
I know. So,
Baron, what's my second one? Baron.
Baron.
X minus 3. X minus 3.
X minus 3 what?
Equals 0.
There you
Right.
go.
All right,
Could I
Cormac, help me with whichever one you want. You choose.
choose the easy one?
X equals 3.
X equals 3. Good job. All right, Matt, help me with
Okay, so I'm
help me with whatever's left.
I'm not totally sure if I knew this, but
Yes, you do.
You subtract 3, so then you have negative 3. Okay, right? So then you do a divide. So then it'd be x equals square root of negative 3, which would equal x equals 3i.
Plus or minus.
Plus or minus. That's
Oh my gosh, plus or minus 3i, how dare you?
And it's square root 3i.
Oh man.
Put some respect.
Yeah,
on
I
it.
told
And did you say square root 3i?
And he said 3i.
Or did I just
I
write it?
just said 3i.
It's not 3. Square root of 3. So what's my entire list of solutions?
Wacky.
What's my list of solutions?
3, comma, plus or minus square root of 3i.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Alright, you wanna try one?
Yes.
You try this one.
I would be delighted.
Can I do a math
Mr.
dish with
Charlemagne?
mine?
Yeah.
I would like to propose something. I think for a midterm, you should
What
put like super long, like maybe like 2 problems that have like the whole entire alphabet worth
No.
of like
No.
thingies in it, and then all of us work together to like do the
Work together?
Work together, I like that. Yes, we have to
I'm
work
down for
together.
that.
as
Oh,
a
work
class
together, yeah.
to solve it, so we know like what every
That'd be
single
dope.
thing
Like a
equals.
hangman?
So everyone else can do the work and you can sit back and watch them work?
No, I'm gonna
And
get
with
credit?
them.
Okay.
No, it would be great
You're
with the
gonna
chest.
Alright, try it.
Oh no.
Wait, what do you do if there's a subtraction?
Oh,
in
no.
You have
So last time on this on the problem before, I could just group like this.
Yeah, wait, so you can have.
Can I group like this?
No, because.
No.
So you would distribute it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it'd be minus
Yeah.
and then another minus, or no? Would it still be minus in the middle? That's what I'm confused by.
So
In between the two parentheses.
So how would I distribute my minus sign and
So-
rewrite this correctly? I'm gonna copy it down to make sure I can compare it to what I had before.
Yeah, so to do it before, like, you would do minus, is it already minus 2x? Yeah. So it'd be plus 2x minus 10.
Pretty darn good circle.
Like that?
Yeah, but then you'd have minus 2x.
Hmm?
Oh wait, no. You'd have, positive 2x minus 10. Right, and you still have subtraction in the middle, right?
You tell me. I'm writing whatever you tell me.
I have no idea. I asked you and I was like,
So I need something that's equivalent to this.
yeah, so you still have
Whatever I write here, it's got to be equivalent to what I started with.
Yeah.
So what do I need to write?
Yeah, I'm right.
What?
Minus parentheses 2x minus 10. Yeah,
Does that give us back what we had?
yeah.
No.
Yeah, minus 2x
Yes.
and then plus 10, yes. So that's properly grouped.
Oh, Beluga.
Oh, Baluba.
Yeah.
Oompa Loompa.
Oompa Loompa.
You know, beluga whales are really cool.
Beluga? They got
Yeah.
a huge forehead on them.
Yeah, why are their foreheads so large?
Yeah!
Echolocation.
Yeah, I know. And that's like
It's the same as a sperm whale.
jello-like. It's really.
You're acting like that's like a known fact. Like, I don't even know what echolocation is.
You know?
No, I
It's
know
when
what
you
it
make a
is.
sound to
It's a
open
joke.
things. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Use sound
It's the same thing with a sperm whale.
Okay, but I don't know that. Okay.
It's like the same thing as a bat.
Go back
I
to
don't
you
know
with-
those are really
I'm specifically talking about receiving it afterwards. It's like the whole thing.
Are y'all done? Did y'all work on the problem?
Yes, I finished. So is Baron, so we can say the answers. Yeah, I hate you too, Baron.
And then do this one.
Oh, it just turned to 1534.
Sig fig.
Sig figs.
I almost said the brain rot, but then I covered it up by saying sig fig.
Why is there a
Sig
new one?
fig, buddy, do. Hey, Baron, no brain rot in this class.
Oh, no.
Hey, my lease. How do you say 6, 7 in?
Matt!
But she asked.
Matt!
In French.
I don't know, si, siete.
When
No,
are,
in French. Fin.
Matt!
That's Spanish.
Matt!
Yes.
Stop.
Okay.
What do we do?
You said that's in Mandarin.
What do we do?
You would do minus
No, that was
54x plus 0, right?
54?
Minus 54x plus 0.
54?
Yeah, you need to learn that.
Oh, for this one.
It's very important.
Oh, we're on that one still?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, we haven't solved it. What do you mean still?
Yeah, I did solve it. Yeah, I thought we were doing B.
How do we solve A?
Okay, so you would solve A.
Baron and and Cormac.
May I solve it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, for A, you have a group, so now you pull out x squared of the first one. So it'd be x squared parenthesis x minus 5, parenthesis minus 2, you could pull 2 out. So x minus 5 again equals 0. And then you do x squared minus 2, parenthesis x minus 5. And then you can do zero product property. So x squared minus 2 equals 0.
Wait, why did it turn 2x plus 10 into x minus 5?
Because I took out 2, the factor.
What? Why
You
did
took
it
out this
turn
2
negative, though? Yeah.
from here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but wait, why did it turn into a negative after it was?
'Cause it was already
other
minus.
problem. I'm sorry. I was looking at the wrong problem.
And then x squared minus 2 equals 0. And x minus 5 equals 0. So x equals 5 comma square root of 2
No.
Plus or
No.
minus.
plus or minus square root of 2.
Wait, I have a question.
It's very redundant.
Every time you take the square root,
It should be plus or minus.
it should be plus or minus
Got it.
when you're solving for x.
Thank you, Gary.
Jason,
This one.
what do you think?
Still do this by factorization.
I mean, you kind of do what you want there. I think we're supposed to be grouping.
Yeah, so
But there's like only 3 terms, so I'm not sure how to do
would you
Oh.
add the 0? Or no?
Did anybody do this?
I mean,
Huh?
The way I started it was by taking a common factor with the entire thing.
Miley's?
Well, I don't know if you would do this for this specific problem, but what I thought at first was like trying to split the middle term like we've done before.
What did we do when we split the middle term? First of all, do we have any common factors?
Yes.
Three.
Of all
6 and 27 don't look great.
Whereas 3x.
Three. Yeah.
What about 3?
Yeah, 3x takes it out of all 3.
And I have an x term in all 3, right?
Yeah.
So what about 3x, and then this leaves what?
2x
six.
squared.
Oh, and then you would, okay. Oh, yeah.
2x squared
minus
minus
9x.
minus 18.
18. 15 divided by 3.
You remember the long form analysis that we went through to try to factor something that did not have an initial coefficient of a leading coefficient of
Completing
1?
the square.
Yes.
No.
Actually,
Oh, that's not it.
would it be like
Let's write this out. I want this to be in your notes because sometimes you have to resort to this.
so would
Or I want you to be able to resort to this.
2 times negative 18 and then 5.
So we're going to say the leading coefficient is what?
2.
2. The, what do we call 18? What do we call minus 18?
Constant.
The constant term is minus 18. And then what do we need to, well, what do we need to see? What do we need to, what's the third thing we need to find? This is why I want this in your notes.
Then
Step 1, find the leading coefficient. Step 2, find the constant term. Step 3, find the
factor.
Conjugate.
On the old notes.
Jason, go.
When you find the leading coefficient is 2 and the constant term is negative 18.
We're playing hangman. I want you to guess a letter.
Product?
P. Oh man.
E.
Or you could say their
Oh.
product is, what's their product?
Look at 16.
36?
Negative 36.
Yeah,
The
36.
argument what I thought.
That's
Why
negative.
would they
Wouldn't
make
it be
it
negative?
Yeah, it's negative 36. I don't know that 100% matters right now.
Yeah, it is.
If it's plus or minus, because we have to do some more analysis. What's the fourth step? What do I have to find next?
You have to find something that multiplies to negative 36 and then adds to negative 9.
Right.
Or two pairs or a number pair.
Right. So this step is the factors.
So would it be full?
Patrick, are you writing down what I'm writing down?
I am.
I wrote the factors and you sat back in your chair.
My apologies. I will write that down.
I'm just checking. Is everyone writing down what I'm writing down?
Oh, I know what it is.
The factors of 36 that add or subtract to what do we need them to add or subtract to?
Negative 18.
New.
That is,
So far we have used our leading term, we've used our constant term, and what's left?
Oh, 9.
Negative 9.
We want them to add or subtract to negative 9 are, what are the factors of 36?
6, 4, 9, 3, and 12.
Okay, so it's plus and minus for all of these, right? So plus 36 minus 1, those are factors of negative 36.
I think it would be 12 and 3.
Negative 12.
12 and negative.
Negative 12
Positive 3.
and 3 add to negative 9,
See?
and they multiply to 36. I'm just going to copy this down because this is what I had before.
Yeah.
But then these things add up to negative 9, and what do I do with them?
So, negative
Miley's, go.
12.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job, Miley.
Plus, do you want me to say it?
Yeah.
Oh, plus 3
Plus 3x
x minus 18.
minus 18.
And then you just factor.
Stop.
Wait, okay.
No, you go, Anna. You go, Miley. Anna, you stop goofing off.
You just
Oh,
factor by
right.
group the
How do
middle
we get
part.
that?
And now I'm factoring by grouping the middle part. So this,
Oh my
this,
goodness.
all of these, Matt.
This is the first time I did it.
It's the 67th time you did it.
67! You made me.
And then
We send that out
this-
live.
This is step 5.
Do you need some water, man?
This is step 5.
Yeah, actually.
Is split them up. These started off as our minus 9 term, and we're splitting them up based on these steps. So good. So far so good. Now what do we do with this?
Oh, now we group it, and then we take the things out, and then we make it equal 0 because it's 0 product property, and then we make it a comma separated list, and then we win.
Yeah, bro.
Ah.
What do I do with this first group?
And then we win.
What do we do?
2x squared minus 12x.
That's what I have for my group. What do I do with that group?
2x.
2x comes out, leaving.
Murder it.
What?
murdered it.
X minus 6.
Yep, and then the second group.
Wait, you didn't end your other parenthesis.
I have not ended it yet. It's coming up over here.
Oh!
So this is on purpose. I have this, the singular of parentheses is parenthesis, not parenthesis.
That's what
So I have this parenthesis here. And then what do I do with the second group?
bracket.
Take 3 out.
Take 3 out, leaving
X minus 6.
x minus 6. Here's our pattern.
2x plus 3 and x minus 6.
So I have 3x, 2x plus 3, x minus 6. And now what's this property called?
0 product property!
0 product property.
Each term should be 0. That answer is
What's my first one, Jason?
3x equals to 0.
3x equals 0. Cormac, what's my second one? No, second one. There's 3.
My bad. Sorry, I thought I could have fun.
I feel you, bro.
2x equals -3 or x equals -1.
3 over 2.
I'm figuring.
3 over 2.
Yeah, nah.
Yeehaw!
There's another way you could have done this.
Baron,
Yes.
what's my last one?
Last one is x equals 6.
So what's my total list? Matt, what's my whole list of answers?
0, comma, -3 over 2, comma, 6. No comma after that.
I disagree. That's not quite how you write that.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Fraction first.
X equals.
X equals.
X equals.
That's what I said.
Mm.
I definitely said that. You just might not have heard me because
There's
you're a
no way
lot
you could have
smarter
done
than me.
this.
Yeah, I definitely did say X equals.
Once
My bad,
after
guys.
we factor out the 3x, you can just divide both sides by 3x, and then just use the quadratic equation and get the exact same answers. But just remember to have a 0.
I mean, you could have done that. We could have used quadratic equation way back here.
Why
So-
didn't we?
So we could have used quadratic equation.
Yeah, that's what
Would
I'm
that have
saying.
been
We're
easier?
practicing. We're practicing grouping. Yeah.
Would that have been
I'm
easier?
We're practicing factoring by grouping.
Yeah, you could just use the quadratic equation.
At that point.
Yes.
At that point.
Yes.
But then I would not have gotten rid of the x equals 0 part.
What?
Mr. Schlegel.
Yes.
Yeah, tomorrow, is clubs happening?
No.
All right, you do this last one.
What?
Huh? No. Oh, no.
I think we just absolutely cooked them that last.
No, we didn't cook.
We
did not cook.
cooked.
We got so off track.
Is that a 4 or a Y?
I'm just gonna say.
I'm gonna say it's a Y.
X to the 4. Who said my 4s look like 7s?
Your fours.
No, I said
they
the
kinda
6s
do.
look like 7s. It kind of looks like a 7.
Your
Your
2's
fives
farther
look like
away.
square roots. Sometimes it'll be just an upside down.
Yeah, my Y's look like 5s sometimes. I don't know why.
What about
What's the difference between those two things that you just wrote down?
chicken jockey?
They give me the short order.
Once you solve this and show it to me, you can go.
I'm so locked in right now.
How do I freaking solve this, bro?
No.
Is this a quadratic equation?
Yes.
In what?
Square
Oh!
four.
A, we can do it with A.
We can
Right?
Yeah.